question about shidduch. Mm-hmm. If one is only attracted to a specific type of people, for example, masculine woman for a guy, is he allowed to insist on this when trying to find a shidduch?
I think so, yes. You see, we're not exactly like angels, right? So it must be some kind of physical attraction. Right? Some, right? Some. So if you have a physical attraction, then it's going to develop. After many, many years, it's going to develop in love. But it must start with some physical attraction, of course, and spiritual connection. That's very important. So that's what he likes, this person. And and it's nothing wrong with that. Some people think there is a problem. So I know many men, they cannot make decisions in their life, like what short should I take this short, or it's to this, to that, like he cannot. So and women, some of them women, they go crazy. So I told to a few of them, like why you getting crazy? You knew who you were, married. So now you going to the boss. Well, take charge. Just give him the short in his hand, and he's going to. He's good at making money. He's whatever. Well, send them to work, make money. Just take care of the finances. If you need to pay, he might forgot to pay. You pay. So what is the problem? You understand? But these women were confused. Maybe this, maybe that. But if that's what this person wants, he wants a masculine woman. Okay, so let him get it. And she wants to be a boss, and he wants to be a good little boy. So let him be that. There is no problem with that. There is a great balance. The problem is that there are two bosses under the one roof. That's a conflict upon the conflict. You understand?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So, on this, the guy should not be embarrassed at all to say, for example, to Shadchan or someone in charge that he's looking forward to getting to a masculine woman, like this.
Maybe maybe not in these terms, but similar. We can think about it, how to put it. Yeah, there is no problem. That's what in order to create balance. Again, there is no problem with man cannot decide things, and he wants somebody be a boss. For example, there is no problem whatsoever. It's much worse than nobody is a boss, and I know some people are like that, and they always argue, they yell and curse each other because none of them wants to make decision. And when one of them make decisions, so the other side does not support it, fails through, right? The cracks, and they argue again and again. That's also not healthy, right? Or two bosses. So if one is going to be the boss, there is no problem, right? Maybe he would be the best customer of this shadchan. Right? Not everybody want masculine women, and this guy, that's what I want. That's how sages say about this yichud stuff, right? So even if she's 100 years old and there is a tube sticking out of her nose, or she's 600 pounds fat, like for you maybe you would vomit, you're normal, right? But for some people it's very attractive. Right? So our sages knew the psychology of the person, so they say never. That doesn't matter. She's 4 years old or she's 99 years old. You just stay away from a strange woman, right? If she's fit or she's 500 pounds extra. Right?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So is this concept or this idea of a masculine woman and a feminine man kind of well known amongst the older shadchanim? How do I know if I tell a shadchanim that I like masculine woman, instead of he looking for someone like that, for me he's gonna say, okay, you have to work in this instead, and become more masculine? Like,
No, I mean they don't take they don't give like advice what to do. I mean that they're working with a ready product, right? So they have to just find the match. They're not going to rebuild you and to change the person's character, to change the person's attitude. It requires hours and hours of the training and maybe years and maybe months. I mean, they want to just to like, but every merchant that has its customer, as we explained. So they don't need to change anybody. Just find the right match. That's it. Understand?
thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.